Hello traders, I hope guys you are having a very good day today. Today was amazing volatility, especially on the yen pair. Even yesterday we had amazing volatility and most of my traders banked 200 plus pips yesterday and 100 plus pips just this morning. Sorry guys, yesterday I haven't uploaded my analysis review. We were very busy and today morning I'm just going to show you not analysis review. I'm just going to show you the clip of my training, live training, in live training and analysis video, and I'll show you the result. And I try to capture, because we are, as a trader, we know a marketer, so I've tried to capture the screenshot of my traders trades and screenshot and show you how they have banked 100 plus pips today this morning. So let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, so feel free to subscribe this channel. And let me show you the especially guys, we made a lot of pips today through the yen pair, and this is one of the video clip I'm going to show you because it's too long, half an hour, but just going to show you one yen pair so that you can see how we manage very good pips today, right? So let's,
doesn't mean the price is going to come back, but as being an intraday trader, we also consider taking a counter short trade here, as long as the intraday system align with us. And if you look at here, you can see how beautiful price broken this previous low. And if you miss this one, that's perfectly fine, no problem. But this one should not be, because risk reward ratio is a very powerful trade. Then we have another pullback here. Now when the price comes to this level, develop another pullback, then you need to understand, then you need to understand the time factor. What does it mean, time factor? Because the London morning is about to perform. At this stage, you should wait for the London open, right? And look at the time here is only a few minutes. So if you look at here, this one, sometime this might gonna trap you, but that's perfectly fine. But if you look at here, this is the way I look at I look at here. If I taken this one and this one and this one, all of winnings, if this one losing, that's perfectly fine. Because you can see here all the measures, even if you just consider one pair, you have a big winning and one losing, that's perfectly fine, nothing wrong with it. So pay attention to these small details. Yes, Manmohan, we can look at the pound yen in a minute. Okay, now we have, so technically what I'm expecting here, another pullback. Yeah, momentum is still bearish, so always look towards the momentum first. That's the first priority. And another one is, if the price, safest way, if the price break and retest, aggressive way is the breakout. What does it mean, aggressive way? Let's say if I'm sitting in a computer for hours, if the price break, if I've already banked these pips, I don't mind to take aggressive. But if it's going to be my first trade, then I will wait for the breakout and the retest. So looking here, this breakout opportunity is technically, these are the opportunities I'm expecting it.
all right guys, now you have seen in my live analysis, that analysis broadcasted in the system here on dollar yen. So let me show you the analysis result. And if you look at that analysis just mentioned here, you can see here, based on this analysis, once the price was about to break, that's what I broadcast through live audio commentary, that the price is behaving according to the analysis, that the first priority was the pullback short. Because we can see here, if you look at in intraday, that's what I mentioned through live analysis, price developed a double top here. We have this breakout, so expecting a short trade here, and the target around this level. So you can see here, that was the trade. Most of the traders have really enjoyed it and banked pips. And once the price was developing a double top here, I explained to my trader, close your trade, bank some profit, and let's wait for another pattern. And that's basically another one that's again through live analysis mentioned, look for this pullback at this level. And we have another pullback, which is I announced, take pullback short trade here. Target would be this target, which is price nicely hit this target. But even price hit to this fib channel and bank amazing profit. So you can see guys, and all of the yen pair, we had amazing trade guys. If you look at show you here. This was the trade. Even London morning session, you can see the yen pair. You can see I explained this one again through live analysis, exactly the video you have just seen it. That was the then I'll announce all these pullback short trade here. Most of the traders bank amazing profit. Let me share with you the screenshot of the some of the traders which is I manage it personally. You can see there's a huge list, but I can't copy all of it. But you can see here the traders bank amazing profit. You can see here all of the traders, because I watch all their trades and I give them feedback if they are, you know, taking a trade and not according to the rule, according to the analysis. That's why my whole purpose is to train with the live market. So you can see here most of the traders bank amazing pips. You can see once the if you look at the most of the trades has been taken at the London Open. You can see here 8:15, 8:16, you know, at 8 o'clock, you know, all these things. You can see this one already taken a short trade, you know, a trade here. This is one of the guys, Hamza. He already banked a beautiful pips. He already taken a short trade beginning. You can see just before London Open. So most of the traders taken at the London morning session and bank amazing profit, as you can see here, all of them. And once we bank some profit, look for another pullback, and that's what exactly let me show you. Then we have another one. After banking those profit, we have another short trade on pullbacks, as you can see here. Again, all these trades here. And once we bank some profit, once my trader hit the target, they just basically mention, you know, look, you can see here, done for the day, 132 pips, this gentleman trader. So that's what exactly I trade, guys. My whole purpose is to show you guys how we analyze the market in real time and how help my traders to bank amazing profit in real time. I hope you enjoy this video. If you really want to see all that analysis in real time instead of watching the review, so most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. And until next time, guys, wish you all the best and have a safe day, guys. Take care. Bye bye.